Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Serein. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve my no makeup look thanks to one of my favorite foundations from Kogen Do, the Aqua foundation. You can find my original review of this foundation on my channel from a few years ago, and I will also remember to link it in the cards above my head or in the description box if you guys were curious. If you've been with me for a while, you know I'm a huge fan of the brand Kogen Do, and I really want to thank them because I am working with them on this video to promote their current sale happening on their website. You buy the Kogen Do Aqua Foundation, this formula, and the Aqua Foundation Compact, you'll get 20% off the duo purchase. And because you're one of my viewers and subscribers, you get to use the code SereinAqua for a gift with purchase. And the gift with purchase is a beautiful foundation brush, super luxurious, and a sample size of their illuminator, which I am wearing today, and it really gives my skin this beautiful glow. I love it. I actually want the full size of this now. It's a really great offer that they're doing. Kogen Do doesn't really go on sale that often, especially with their staple products like their foundations. Their products are all made in Japan. They're developed in Japan, and they take a long time to develop new products because they truly take so much care and passion about what they put in their products and how they create the products. They are an independent brand, which I like to support. I love their products. So if you want to see how I achieve my flawless no makeup look, which is essentially my foundation routine for every single day, just keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I upload new videos 3 days a week, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays, with bonus uploads every now and then. So this is my bare face. For that flawless no makeup look, I always like to prep the skin. I have a little bit of redness on my cheeks, so I like to use the green color base to diminish that redness. And it's not anything that you're gonna see a huge, like, oh no, it's now green. Like, you don't want that. But it just neutralizes your redness a little bit. And what I like about these bases is that it does color correct, but it also provides a nice base for you to apply the foundation that gives it the most longevity if you want your foundation to last longer than normal. And I go in with the lavender pink color base for the dark areas around my mouth. I want it to be a little brighter, and I have darkness right here. So you can see it's very subtle. It just helps neutralize those trouble spots on your face, and this is key if you want that no makeup look, because then you don't have to build up the foundation so heavily and make it look cakey, because the more product you wear, the more you're going to be able to see it, and that defeats the whole purpose. Now that my skin is neutralized, color corrected, and ready for the foundation, I am going to go in with my Aqua foundation. I am in the shade 123, and for those of you guys who are curious, I am also in MAC NC25. And I've been using the Aqua foundation ever since I first tested it out. I was so impressed. I'd heard about Kogen Do Aqua foundation for years. It's been used on sets. It really is that good, especially with HD cameras, because you're able to get this natural finish that doesn't crease into people's skin. So it works on dry skin, it works on oily skin, it works on like normal skin, and you're getting great coverage but still making it look like skin, which is really important when you're working with HD cameras and you want everyone to look like normal people and not overly made up. This is why this foundation works so well on movie sets and TV shows, because if you watch TV, most of the actors on TV don't have like full-on contour and baking going on. Their skin looks like skin. They just look flawless, which is what I like. So this is just with one pump of product, and you can see how it just automatically gave me a nice even wash of color. It evened out everything, especially because I prepped my skin with the color correctors. I mean, this is perfect for me for every single day, but I'm going to build it up just a little bit so you guys can see on camera. With this foundation, the crazy thing is you can build it up throughout the day. So if things start to wear off, and I think this is also why makeup artists love this foundation, because if like you have a crying fit or you take a nap, but then you're like, oh, I have to go out, you can put foundation over this, you can put more Aqua foundation over it. And that's where this compact kind of comes into play. I was playing with this yesterday all day, and I like this mostly for travel because it is a compact, but it's a different kind of compact. So you'll see here, you squeeze the product out, and there's a sponge that has a kind of like a touch-up side and then like a actual applicator side. So you just go like that, and you can kind of, I mean, look, when I look in the mirror, I feel like I have a pretty good even wash of foundation, but you can just pat. If you're somebody who is super oily, or you just have a tendency to touch your face throughout the day or take naps, or let's say you're very active, this is one of those things that you can keep in your gym bag, keep in your purse, and you can just touch up throughout the day. And it comes with an extra puff. So you can wash these, but then they also give you a second one. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on. I don't feel like I need a lot, but this is the Moisture Fit Concealer from Kogan Do, and I have the shade 02. I've used this before, and I really liked it. It blends beautifully onto the skin, and it looks like skin, but it covers too. With the Aqua foundation, you don't have to set it. If you are oily, I recommend setting it. I'm going to set my under eyes because I want to. It's just something I feel more comfortable doing. Using the Kogan Do face powder. Another great thing about Kogan Do is that the foundation, I've worn it, I've taken naps in it, I've worked out with it. It hasn't irritated my skin or broken my skin out before because it is not made with any petrochemicals. It's very good for your skin. They are skincare based products. So there's no fragrances added. Everything is sensitive skin kind of tested. Next step is going in with my brows, and I like to just accentuate my natural shape and my natural brow hairs. So here's a pencil from Kogan Do that I'm testing out. It's coming out soon. But I like to go in with a pencil and just draw wispy strokes. So I'm going to go in with this new Kogan Do brow powder. This is coming soon too. And I'm just going in to add a little bit more texture to my brows. So I'm going to mix the two shades. Notice I use the pencil mainly on the bottom part of my brow and to accentuate the tail. And then with the powder, I go in and kind of fill in the top parts of my brows and make it look a little bit fuller. That's just how I like to do my brows. I find that's what works for me and what makes me feel like myself the most. Fun tidbit about this Aqua foundation is that it was used on set for Blake Lively on Gossip Girl because she used to nap in between scenes. And when you nap, you get like creases on stuff, and you typically have to like take your entire makeup off, or the makeup artist has to like pile more on, and this wouldn't crease, and if she needed to, they could just add more product over it. So anything with Gossip Girl and Blake Lively, I'm like, yes. So many shows that Aqua foundation is actually being used on to this day, so it's really exciting to hear about. But to finish off my face, because I'm keeping it very natural, I'm just going to do a little bit of color, and I'm using this cheek palette, which I think is coral. I'm just going to go in there like that. And I start right here and then swish it back. And then I'm going to take this on my eyes. And whatever's left on the brush on my nose. I'm going in with like a very like almost dark but not really shade, like it's a plummy shade. I have brown eyes, and the plummy shade really draws out the like warmth in my eyes. So I'm going to use this and line my lash line. I'm going to go in with this shimmery shade on my lower lash line and in my inner corner. I take my ring finger and just tap a little bit of that on the center of my eyelid to make it pop. Curl my lashes and then use the tubing mascara, Long Lush Treatment Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras, mainly because the wand is perfect, especially if you have flatter Asian eyes like I do, or just almond-shaped eyes. It really gets all of the lashes and grabs. It also is a tubing mascara, which I love because I have less lash fallout. It's healthier for my lashes, and it doesn't smudge, it doesn't budge, it doesn't, like, I can cry, I can sweat, it will not go anywhere until I want it to, which is usually when I'm in the shower. I massage it with the warm water with my fingertips, and it just slips right off. I'm gonna test out this sheer beige highlighter, so you wanna shake this up, and apparently this, like, is a lot of product because it's so potent. Ooh, I really like that. I don't know if this is coming off on camera, but it's really gorgeous. It's very subtle, and it just makes my skin look super healthy, which is perfect for those no makeup looks. I'm going to finish off my look with a rosy lip color. I'm using the shade Bright Beige from Kogen Do. And then I love the little crayon because it makes it precise. So that's my finished look for like my no makeup look, which if you guys are really into a lot of makeup, you'll probably be like, you always do no makeup looks, but it's what I feel comfortable in, it's what I like, and it's how I feel the most like myself, and also the best version of myself. So if you guys have ever been curious about the Kogen Do Aqua Foundation or the Aqua Foundation Compact, now's the time to really test it out because they are doing that duo discount plus with my discount code, not an affiliate code, just a code that they're offering my viewers. You'll get a really nice foundation brush and also that illuminator trial size. I want to thank Kogen Do for partnering with me on this video. It's always amazing to be able to work with a brand that I've already loved and been a fan of for a few years. And yeah, it's really exciting to get to work with people that you want to support and that you've been supporting even before they knew who you were. So I want to thank Kogen Do for that, and I want to thank you guys for that because I wouldn't get these opportunities if you weren't watching my videos. You guys are the entire reason that I'm able to do this. So thank you so much to you watching. And if you do test it out, don't forget to use my code because it's a really nice gift with purchase. And Kogen Do doesn't really go on sale very often, especially their foundations, because it is such a staple and sought after product. So definitely take advantage of that. I will have their website linked in the description box, and I am in the shade 123 in pretty much everything in terms of foundations, and the concealer I used shade number 2 for under my eyes. As always, I hope my videos help motivate and inspire you to look and feel your best from the outside in. I know when I look and feel my best, I'm a lot more capable at dealing with whatever life has to throw at me, and if that speaks to you, I'm really happy you found my channel. And if anything, I just hope my video helped you unwind, de-stress, take your mind off of whatever it was you needed help taking your mind off of. That's why I watch YouTube videos. That's how I discovered YouTube, and it's why I wanted to be a part of this community. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your night. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday right here. I do bonus uploads, so if you subscribe and turn on your notifications, you should, in theory, get it in your subscription feed, but who knows these days. So just know every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday you can count on me to be here at 5 p.m. PST. Until Sunday, I will see you guys right back here. Have a wonderful rest of your night. Bye!